Okay, good morning, first PC students. Yesterday, the exercise limit first exercise up to 18 problems are completed. So today we are going to the next problem. Okay. So once again, I will recall the problem, 18th problem. Once again, I will recall. Okay. So limit x tends to 0. Limit x tends to 0. Ax plus x cos x. Ax plus x cos x by b sin x. B sin x. So first of all, separate the limits. Ax by b sin x plus limit x tends to 0. Properties of limits are algebraic of limits. Limit x tends to 0, f of x plus g of x is equal to the property. You know property? Limit x tends to 0, f of x plus g of x is equal to limit x tends to 0, f of x plus limit x tends to 0, g of x. This is the property. So that's why limit x tends to 0, x cos x by b sin x. So a by b constant, limit x tends to 0, x by sin x plus 1 by b constant, limit x tends to 0, cos x by sin x. Cos x by sin x is equal to cot x. Cos x by sin x is equal to cot x. So limit x tends to 0, sin x by x is equal to 1 formula. Limit x tends to 0, sin x by x is equal to 1 and tan x by x is equal to 1 formula. So x by sin x is not a formula. So this is a by b into limit 1 by sin x by x, 1 by sin, reverse, 1 by sin x by x, limit x tends to 0 plus 1 by b into limit x tends to 0. Limit x tends to 0, x by sin x is equal to 1 by sin x by x. So 1 by b into limit x tends to 0, x by cot x is equal to 1 by tan x. So a by b into 1 by limit of constant is equal to constant. So this is the property. This is addition property. This is division property. Limit x tends to a, f of x by g of x is equal to limit x tends to a, f of x by g of x. So 1 by limit x tends to 0, sin x by x plus 1 by b into 1 by this reverse tan x by x, limit x tends to 0. So that is equal to a by b into 1 by 1, because limit x tends to 0, sin x by x is equal to 1 and tan x by x is equal to 1 plus 1 by b into 1 by 1. So a by b plus 1 by b is equal to a plus 1 by b. This is the problem number 18. Okay. Next one, limit x tends to 0, limit x tends to 0, x into secant x. So x tends to 0 means secant 0. Secant 0 means secant 0. Secant 0 is equal to 1 by cos 0. cos 0 is equal to 1. So secant 0 degrees is equal to 1 by cos 0 degrees. Cos 0 is equal to 1. So 1 by 1. So limit extends to 0 into 1 is equal to 0 because doubt unko extends to 0. 0 into secant to 0 degrees. So 0 into secant 0 1. 0 into 1 is equal to 0. This is the problem number 19. Next. Problem number 20. Limit x tends to 0. Problem number 20. Limit x tends to 0. Sin ax plus bx by sin ax plus bx by ax plus sin bx, ax plus sin bx. So separate. Limit x tends to 0 sin ax plus bx by x, ax plus sin bx by x. Limit x tends to 0. Divide and multiply x. Numerator divide and multiply x. Divide and multiply. X cancel. Remaining. 5 divide and multiply. Why did we take divide and multiply x? Because of this is the formula. Which formula? Sin ax by x equal to a. Sin mx by x is equal to m. Sin bx by x is equal to b. This formula. This is the formula. So next divide. Limit x tends to 0. Limit x tends to 0. Sin ax by x plus limit x tends to 0 bx by x. This is numerator. Separate numerator, denominator separated by the limits. Next, limit x tends to 0 ax by x plus limit x tends to 0 sin bx by x. So that is equal to sin ax by x value. This is xx, this is x. Xx cancel, xx cancel. So sin ax by x is equal to a. Limit of constant is equal to constant. Limit of any constant is equal to constant. So sin ax by x. Which formula? Sin mx by x. By limit of xx cancel, limit of constant, limit of a is equal to a plus sin bx by x is equal to b. So that is equal to value 1. Which formula? Limit x tends to 0 sin mx by x is equal to m. This formula. So answer is 1. Okay, clear? Next, 21. Problem number 21. Okay. Next, problem number 21. Limit x tends to 0. Limit x tends to 0. Cosecant x minus cot x. So, limit x tends to 0. Cosecant x is equal to 1 by sin x minus cot x is equal to cos x by sin x. So, limit x tends to 0 LCM 1 minus cos x by sin x. Formula. Yesterday already discussed formula. Trigonometric function formula. What is the trigonometric formula? 1 minus cos x is equal to 2 sin square x by 2. Sin x is equal to formula 2 sin x by 2 into cos x by 2. This is the trigonometric half angle formulas. So limit x tends to 0. 1 minus cos x is equal to 2 sin square x by 2 by sin x formula 2 sin x by 2 into cos x by 2. 2 cancel, 1 sin cancel. So limit x tends to 0, sin x by 2 by cos x by 2 is equal to tan x by 2. So tan 0 by 2 is equal to tan 0. Tan 0 is equal to 0. Tan 0 0, sin 0 0. So this answer is 0. This is the 21st problem. Next to 22nd problem. Limit x tends to pi by 2. Limit x tends to pi by 2. Tan 2x by x minus pi by 2. Tan 2x by x minus pi by 2. So put x minus pi by 2 is equal to y. This is denominator. X minus pi by 2 is equal to y. That implies x minus pi by 2 is equal to y. That implies x is equal to y plus pi by 2. Put x minus pi by 2 is equal to t or y. X is equal to y plus pi by 2. So x tends to pi by 2 means that implies x is equal to pi by 2. So that is equal to pi by 2 equal to x. So pi by 2 tends to x. Pi by 2 tends to x. So x tends to pi by 2 means x is equal to pi by 2. X is equal to pi by 2 means x minus pi by 2 tends to 0. X minus pi by 2 tends to 0. X tends to pi by 2 means what? X is equal to pi by 2. So x is equal to pi by 2 means x minus pi by 2 is equal to 0. X is equal to pi by 2 means x minus pi by 2 equal 0. Equal 0 means what? Tends to 0. So next limit x tends to pi by 2, x minus pi by 2 tends to 0, tan 2 into tan 2x, x is equal to y plus pi by 2, x is equal to y plus pi by 2 by x minus pi by 2 is equal to y. So limit x minus pi by 2 tends to 0 means x tends to pi by 2 is nothing but x minus pi by 2 tends to 0. X minus pi by 2 tends to means y tends to 0. Limit x minus pi by 2 is equal to y. So y tends to 0. Limit y tends to 0 tan multiply 2 into pi by 2 pi plus 2y multiply with 2. 2 into pi by 2 is equal to pi plus 2y by y. So tan 180 plus theta, tan 180 plus theta is equal to tan theta. 180 plus theta is the third quadrant. 180 plus theta is the third quadrant. In third quadrant, all silver teacups, T for tan cot both are positive. So 180 means same function. So limit y tends to 0, tan 180 plus 2y is equal to tan 2y. Tan 2y by y is equal to what? 2. Which formula? Limit x tends to 0, tan mx by x is equal to m. So here tan my by y tends to 0, tan my by y is equal to 2. This answer. Once again, so limit x tends to pi by 2, tan 2x by x minus pi by 2. Here x minus pi by 2 is equal to y. Put x minus pi by 2 is equal to y. So x is equal to y plus pi by 2. X tends to pi by 2 means x is equal to pi by 2. X tends to pi by 2 means x minus pi by 2 tends to 0. x minus pi by 2 tends to 0. So x tends to pi by 2 means what? X minus pi by 2 is equal to what? Y. So y tends to 0. X minus pi, x tends to pi by 2 equal to x minus pi by 2 tends to 0 equal to y tends to 0. So limit y tends to 0, tan 2 into x is equal to what? Y plus pi by 2 by x minus pi by 2 is equal to y. So multiply 2 into pi by 2, first apply multiply by the degree, first 2 into pi by 2 equal to pi plus 2 into y. Tan 180 plus theta in the third quadrant all silver t for tan cot. So tan is positive, 180 means the same function, so tan theta, here theta is equal to what? 2y. So tan 2y. So directly limit x tends to 0, tan mx by x is equal to what? Answer m. So tan 2y by y is equal to 2. This is the problem number 22. So up to 22, this is the single function limits. Single function limits 20 up to 22. So go to the some more examples. Example 4. Example 4. In examples 4, first one, limit x tends to 0. Example 4, first one. Limit x tends to 0, sin 4x by sin 2x is a direct answer without any calculation. Direct answer 4 by 2. Answer is 4 by 2. 4 by 2 is equal to 2 because this is sin mx, sin nx, direct formula. So solve. Limit x tends to 0, sin 4x by x by sin 2x by x. X divide and multiply with x. Divide and multiply with x. Divide and multiply, separate the limits. Limit x tends to 0, sin 4x by x by limit x tends to 0, sin 2x by x. So that is equal to sin 4x by x is equal to 4, sin 2x by x is equal to 2, 4 by 2 is equal to 2. What is the formula? Sin mx by a, limit x tends to 0, sin mx by x is equal to m. This is the formula. Answer is 2. So example 4, second problem. Okay, second problem. Limit x tends to 0, tan x by x. Limit x tends to 0, tan x by x is always 1. Tan x by x is equal to 1 is fixed formula. So how to limit this calculation? The fundamental formula is sin x by x. Limit x tends to 0, sin x by x is equal to 1 is the fundamental formula. So from the sin x by x, tan x by x value, how to find out? From the formula sin x by x. So tan x is equal to what? Tan x is equal to sin x by cos x by x. So limit x tends to 0 is sin x by x into 1 by cos x. Tan x is equal to sin x by cos x by x and already by x. So is sin x by x separated one function and another one is 1 by cos x. So limit x tends to 0, sin x by x into limit x tends to 0, 1 by cos x. So limit x tends to 0, sin x by x is equal to 1 into 1 by cos 0. So that is equal to 1 into 1 equal to 1. So that answer is 1. Tan x by x is equal to what? 1. No. This is the example 4. Next one. Example 3. Example 3, first problem. Limit x tends to 1, x power 15 minus 1 by x power 10 minus 1. This is the directive formula. Limit x tends to 0, x power m minus a power m by x power n minus a power n is equal to first m by n into 11th formula, m by n into a power m minus 1. So this is also limit x tends to 1, x power 15 minus 1 power 15 by x minus 1 is totally by limit x tends to 1, x power 10 minus 1 power 10 by x minus 1. X minus 1. Here x divide and multiply with x. Here divide and multiply with x. Here divide and multiply by x minus 1. Divide and multiply by x minus 1. So formula, direct formula. ಏನು formula? Limit x tends to limit x tends to a, x power n minus a power n by x minus a is equal to n into a power n minus 1. First formula in our formulas. First formula. Limit x tends to a, x power n minus a power n by x minus a is equal to n into a power n minus 1. So here in the numerator what is n? 15. What is a? 1 power n minus 1. And denominator, in the denominator what is n? 10 into 1 power 10 minus 1. So 15 by 10. 15 by 10 is equal to 3 by 2. 3 5 so 3. 5 3 so 5 2 so 3 by 2. Answer is 5 by 2. Okay. So remaining example problems. Totally today homework. What is the homework? In the totally exercise problems all are completed, each and every one I did explain. So example problem. First of all, if you are perfect the formulas, first formulas and some more example problems. Only this type of problems only. Okay, today we will complete this type of problems, all problems. Tomorrow I will explain the LHS or RHS type problems, left hand limit and right hand limit problems. Okay, today formulas perfect agri formulas ಈ 22 ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸು ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸು ನೀವು ಓನ್ ಸ್ವಂತಗ ಮಾಡಿ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ನಾಳೆ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ರೈಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ,